Hi everybody and welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I am going to show you how you can easily disconnect your House of Marley Get Together speaker from your iPhone or iPad device. Firstly, we need to open settings, and here we have to head over to Bluetooth. Now we have to click this info icon near our speaker's name, and here we have the disconnect button, which is with the blue font. We have to tap this button, and now we are not connected to our speaker. To connect to this speaker back again, we have to tap on our speaker in My Devices list. Of course, we have to remember that our speaker has to be able for us to connect and not connected to any other device. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye!